With over a decade of tree removal experience, it's safe to say that know how to remove trees. At Blanchard Valley Tree Service, we turn giants into mulch in no time. Picture this: a gigantic tree, a roaring chainsaw, and our expert team in action. With speed and precision, we safely chop and drop those towering timbers, leaving your yard clear and safe. Don't let tree troubles ruin your day. We're a safe and reliable tree removal service in Northwest Ohio. Need a free estimate? Call us now at 419-500-4706. Blanchard Valley Tree Service, masters of safe and swift removal. Like and follow for more epic tree service videos.